In today's video, I will walk you through how to enable one-click trading in MetaTrader 5. Start by making sure MetaTrader 5 is open on your computer. Once the platform is running, move your mouse to the top of the screen and click on Tools. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, select Options. This will open a new window containing several tabs across the top. Look through those tabs and click on the one labeled Trade. After opening the Trade tab, look for the section that displays your account information. In this area, MetaTrader 5 shows details about your trading account, including the leverage currently assigned to it. Take a moment to review the information displayed so you can confirm the leverage that is currently being used on your account. If you prefer another way to view the same information, you can use the terminal window instead. Look toward the bottom of the MetaTrader 5 platform. If the terminal window is already visible, you can continue there. If it isn't visible, move to the menu bar at the top of the platform, click View, and then select Terminal. You can also use the keyboard shortcut assigned by your platform to display the terminal window. Once the terminal window is open, click on the Trade tab. This section displays your open trades along with your account information. Look through the account details until you find the information showing your current leverage. This gives you another way to verify the leverage assigned to your trading account without leaving the platform. After confirming your current leverage, keep in mind that MetaTrader 5 is used to view this information, but the leverage itself is generally changed somewhere else. To change the leverage, log into your broker's client portal or account management area. Navigate to your account settings and submit your leverage change there. Follow the options provided by your broker to complete the request. Once your broker has processed the update, return to MetaTrader 5. Repeat the same steps you used earlier to check your account details. Open Tools, select Options, go to the Trade tab, and review the account information again. You can also open the terminal window and check the Trade tab to verify that the updated leverage is now reflected in your account details. By following these steps, you can quickly check your current leverage inside MetaTrader 5 and confirm any changes after your broker updates your account. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. And thank you for watching.